Would you like to know how to get paid £30,000 to own a property like this and it pay you £1,000 profit every single month for the rest of your days? You see, the problem is with most people, they won't watch the whole thing of this video, so they don't get all the pieces of the picture. And then they wonder why they're not making the money or living the life they desire. Follow up and follow through. So I want you to follow through on watching this video because I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it. This property was up for sale. It had already been converted into 3 flats. And what we wanted to do is turn it into 6 different units and rent them out separately. The guy actually had an offer for £145,000. We were only offering £140,000, but he still went with us. Why? Because we gave him the kind of confidence that we know exactly what we're doing with the property. We are the right buyer for the property. You know, we're ready to go. Some people call it no money down, call it whatever you want. But basically, I raised money from an investor. We bring the deal, I bring the build team who is going to do it. We converted it, then now it was worth about £60,000 per room. If you take 60,000 times 6 units, the property is now worth 360,000. Yeah, and that's a great thing about the HMO strategy. You can force appreciation massively. The bank will now lend us 75% of that figure, which is 270. So if we take away the price, which it costs to buy, which is 140, and then the other conversions, because it was already 3 flats, and this is what's clever. Like, we needed less structure, because if you just convert a normal house into a HMO, it might cost a little bit more, which I'm going to show you a bit further down the road how I did that there, because that was just a normal house. It was around £100,000 with the stamp duty and the other costs and all the rest of it. So take away the £100,000 that it costs us to do it, I'm left with £30,000. This is tax-free money. Basically, now I got paid to own this, because after I do the refinance, the tenants that are in there, all of their money pays for the bills, pays for the council tax, pays for the mortgage payment, and then whatever's left is the profit, what we call the cash flow. I know before I even get into the deal what it's going to cost me to get in, what it's going to then do on the refinance, and then how much is it going to cash flow per month. And that's how I decide, is this a deal for me or is it not a deal for me? Now, because I've now owned this property for several years, the value has now gone up to at least a minimum of 75k per room. So if I want to, I can now refinance again. The rental income will continue to pay the new mortgage, which will be a little bit higher, but then I get a cash lump sums. You know, I've done this on many of my properties to pull out 50,000, 20,000, 100,000, sometimes even 150,000. This money you can pull out and you can reinvest this to go buy more properties. Basically, an unlimited way to grow your portfolio and grow your business. See, I told you, the people who watched it this far in the video, you're now going to get the magic. Yeah, because I'm going to summarize exactly what it is that you got to do to be able to do this. So here's a summary. Buy based on demand. Always know what the end product is going to be and work out your numbers following a proven formula that will always work no matter what the marketplace or the economy is doing. And always make sure that you continuously upgrade your properties along the way for many years, and that's how you'll make sustainable money forever. Yeah, so if you want to learn how to do this for yourself, or you want to invest in somebody who's already doing it, I suggest you click the link below, register for our next webinar or our next 2-day live bootcamp where we'll find deals like this right there in the room. We will raise the money from joint ventures and investors and probably around 15 to 20 other creative ways. In fact, properties on this street, I actually got free money. I got loans that basically are 0% interest, which if you understand interest, like basically is free money. So if you want to learn how to do these things and put it into real action, yeah, then I'll see you at the bootcamp soon.